guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to demo how to use this 14 cup and this 8 cup food processor, and these food processors are from Magiccos. So if you guys are in the market for a food processor, whether it be a small one like this 8 cup or a big one like this 14 cup, stay tuned. So guys, here I have the 14 cup and I have the 8 cup. Let's assemble the 14 cup first. I'm going to start by placing my bowl, and it's going to go at 30 degrees and it's going to lock into place. At the front of the machine, we have this slide out drawer with all our blades, and we get a plastic blade. We get a metal blade. This is the one that we need. It does come with these covers to protect the edges, so I'm just going to be very careful and remove that. Place those back in there, and at the front, let me show you guys if I put that on. So at the front of the drawer here, we have all of the different blades that you would need for grating and slicing, and we got 5 blades in total. So I'm just gonna place this back in, and let's assemble this. It's gonna go like this, bring it up and lock it into place. Really easy. And this goes in here. Now you can use it like this and take your cover 30-degree angle, lock it into place. So when using the blade, it goes in like this, it slides in. Make sure that it's secure into place, and then this goes like this. It's gonna face right here because that's where the chute is, and this goes in, and the arrow will tell you which direction it should be facing. So let me get myself a carrot and let's test out this food processor. Hold our carrot and put it on. And there you have it. So I'm gonna set this one aside, and let's try out and build this 8 cup. We have to add the driving shaft. So we're reading the instructions as we go. This is called the driving shaft. This goes on. It doesn't lock into place, it's just gonna sit right there like that. So to assemble the 8 cup, you're gonna take your bowl and you're going to look where the lock and open arrows are. Place your bowl and lock it into place. Now we're gonna try the juicer. So we're gonna take this, place it on top and lock that into place. Place the juicer head, and let's try it out with a half of a lemon. Look at that. Really clean. So now you can make your own lemonade, and the seeds collect in here. This is really cool. I love this. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of orange juice. So besides this, let me remove this. So now let's mount the blades. Now I'm leaving the protector on the blade so that it's easy to mount and you don't get cut. And this goes into here like this. Pull it up, and that locks into place. Now you can remove the protective cover, and then this goes into your bowl. Okay guys, so you have your blade in there. You can use this food processor as is. Place your cover, lock it into place. Here we have your temper, so when you're adding anything into the chute, you can use your temper to help you push it down, or you can just leave your temper right there if you don't need it. And you can process and use this just like an ordinary food processor. So guys, besides the citrus juicer attachment, we also have an emulsifying disc, and we have the cutting blade disc. So to use the cutting blade, you want to remove the inner blade. This is going to attach itself onto here like this, and then you're going to take whichever attachment blade that you want to use, you would then just slide it into place and snap it into place in there. I'm just gonna face it to the handle side right here so that when whatever you put down in the chute, it gets to the blade. And all you have to do is cover. So guys, let's test this out. I'm gonna put in the carrot that I was using before. I'm gonna use the temper to help hold it down and turn it. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. How fast was that? The blade is super, super sharp. Look at that. It does come with a couple different blades for you to use. So you would get some bigger shreds. You would get some crinkle slices. And there is a smaller shredding blade. So guys, here we have it, the 8 cup that comes with the citrus juicer and all of the attachments along with the emulsifier. And here we have the 14 cup, which is really huge. If you guys want to do a lot of dal for Dhalpuri, it's going to come in really handy to do that. So you guys can choose between this 8 or the 14. And remember, with the 14, there is the front here, this drawer that keeps all of your blade attachments. I really love this part of this machine. So what I'll do is I'll leave the links for both of these in the description box. You all go check them out if you're in the market to get a food processor that's really reasonable. Check out the 2 links that I'll place down below. And if you make this purchase, let me know what you think. You guys saw how much juice came out of the lemon. So I'm going to be doing a lot of freshly squeezed orange juice from now on with this smaller one. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.